Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Dr. D.M. Sirisat here from Department of Chemistry, Anandibai Raurani Arts, Commerce and Science College, Vaibhavadi. Friends, today we are deal with the concept IUPAC nomenclature of biphenyl, cumulins, quinolines and isoquinolines. In last lecture, we have studied the IUPAC nomenclature of bicyclic compound. Basically, the bicyclic compounds are classified into three types. Number first, the compounds in which two rings are joined together by carbon-carbon single bond. Number second type is a spiro compound, and number third is a fused compound or bridged compound. Okay, in last lecture we have studied the IUPAC nomenclature of these three types of compounds, means bicyclic compound. In today's lecture we are going to study the IUPAC nomenclature of biphenyls, cumulins, quinolines and isoquinolines. Okay, let's see. Number first is a biphenyl molecule. What is mean by biphenyl molecule? When two benzene rings are joined directly by carbon-carbon single bond is called as biphenyl molecule. Simply, two benzene rings joined together by carbon-carbon single bond is called as biphenyl molecule. And the bond between these two phenyl rings is called as pivotal bond, and 360-degree rotation around this pivotal bond is possible. Friends, we have already studied the rotation of this pivotal bond in stereochemistry of biphenyl molecule. Then, what is IUPAC nomenclature of biphenyl? The rules for IUPAC nomenclature of biphenyl, see one by one. Number first rule, in IUPAC nomenclature of biphenyl, the numbering starts from the carbon atom joining to two phenyl rings, means the numbering starts from this point of attachment. For first ring from this carbon, for second ring from this carbon. Okay. Number second rule, for one ring numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and for other ring numbers are 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash and 6 dash. Okay. Means simple, for first ring the numberings are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and for second ring is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash and 6 dash. Okay. Next one, number third rule, if there is substituent then they receive the lowest possible number and they are arranged alphabetically. If there is a substituent either at first ring or second ring, then they receive minimum number. If there is a more than two or more than two substituents, then use proper prefix and arrange this substituent alphabetically. These are the basic rules for IUPAC nomenclature of biphenyl molecule. See the examples of biphenyl molecule. Number first example, for first ring and second ring, see the first ring and second ring is there is a substituent for first ring is a sulfonic acid group, and is also sulfonic acid substituent also at the second ring. So the name of this compound is a biphenyl 2,2-disulfonic acid. Simply the basic is a biphenyl molecule, but the position of this substituent is a 2 and 2 dash, there is a 2 substituent sulfonic acid, use term di and is a sulfonic acid. Okay. Then second molecule is a first ring, second ring. For first ring there is a 2 substituent methyl group, methoxy group. Also for second ring there is a 2 substituent methyl group and methoxy group. Simply the name of IUPAC name of this molecule is a 2,2-dimethyl 5,5-dimethoxy biphenyl molecule. Means 2,2-dimethyl 5,5-dimethoxy biphenyl molecule. Then number third example, see for first ring there is also 2 substituent methyl chloro. For second ring there is a 2 substituent, say methyl and chloro. Okay. In first ring the position of methyl group at third position, chloro at fourth position, see 1, 2, 3, 4. For second ring is a 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash and 4 dash. Means for first ring methyl at third position and for second ring methyl at 2 dash position. See there is a second substituent chloro and the position of chloro is a 4, and for second ring at a 4 dash position. Arrange these two substituent alphabetically. Chloro is the first and then methyl. See 4 dash dichloro, 2 dash 3 dimethyl biphenyl molecule. These are the IUPAC name of this molecule. The next one, there is a for first ring is the same amino group substituent. For second ring also amino group substituent, and the position of these two substituent is a 4, and for second is a 4 dash. Simply the IUPAC name of this molecule is a 4 dash diamino biphenyl. And the last example, for first ring only one substituent nitro, and for second ring is a substituent, there is a two substituent, one is a carboxylic acid and second is a nitro. Okay. The numbering of this first ring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means at third position there is a nitro group, and the numbering of this second at the 2 dash position carboxylic acid group, and 6 dash position there is a nitro group. See the IUPAC name, simply 3, 6 dash dinitro biphenyl 2 dash carboxylic acid. These are the IUPAC name of this molecule. These are the IUPAC details about the IUPAC nomenclature of biphenyl molecule. Next one is the IUPAC nomenclature of cumulins. Okay. What is meant by cumulins? Simply the organic compounds in which consecutive arrangement of 2 or more than 2 double bonds are called as cumulins. Simply the successive arrangement of continuous arrangement of 2 or more than 2 double bonds is called as cumulins molecule. See the first example of cumulin, there is a 2 continuous arrangement of double bond. It is the first double bond, second double bond. The total number of carbon is a 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3. These are the first allene molecule, and the name of this molecule is a 1,2-propadiene molecule. Then what is exact IUPAC nomenclature of cumulins molecule? See the rules one by one. Number first rule, name of parent hydrocarbon derived from longest chain of carbon atoms containing double bond. See, select the longest continuous chain of carbon atom which containing this continuous arrangement of double bond, and the name of parent hydrocarbon is derived from this longest chain of carbon. Okay. Then number second is the numbering is done in such a way that the double bonded carbon receives minimum number. Simply the functional group, if there is any substituent or this double bond, then they receive the minimum number. These are the second rule. Number third rule, if there is a substituent or functional group, then they receive the lowest possible number, and if there is more than 2 substituent, 2 or more than 2 substituent, then arrange these substituents alphabetically by using proper prefix. Okay. And number fourth rule, use suffix for C double bond C, means for carbon double bond carbon suffix is ENE. If there is a more than 2 double bond, then use term di, tri or tetra. If there is a 2 double bond, then use term di. In this molecule there is a 2 double bond, term is di. If there is 3 double bond, then use term tri. If there is 4 double bond, then use term tetra. These are the simple rules for IUPAC nomenclature of cumulin molecule. Okay. See examples. Number first example, C double bond C double bond C. I mean in this example there is a consecutive arrangement of 2 double bond, and these are the example of this cumulin molecule. Okay. What is exact IUPAC name of this molecule? Number first rule, select the longest continuous chain of carbon atom. See the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In longest chain there is a 5 carbon. The numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the second position and third position there is a double bond, means the name of parent hydrocarbon derived from the number of carbon atom present in longest chain of carbon atom. In longest chain of carbon atom there is a 5 carbon, so the parent alkane is a pentane. At a second position and third position there is a double bond, means penta 2, 3, di, means there is a 2 double bond, in is a suffix for double bond, as the IUPAC name of this compound is a penta 2, 3 diene molecule. Okay. Then next example, see also there is a 2 double bond, also there is a 2 double bond. See the number of carbon atoms in longest continuous chain is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Also here is a 5 carbons in longest continuous chain. See the penta 2, 3 dienoic acid, or simple name is a 2, 3 pentadiene, means at a second position and third position there is a double bond. Penta means there is a 5 carbon in longest continuous chain, the 2, 3 pentadiene, and at a first position there is a substituent means functional group is a 1 carboxylic acid. That is the name of this compound is a 2,3-pentadiene 1 carboxylic acid. Okay. Similar to this, third example, just see, is a continuous chain of carbon atom is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first position is substituted by chloro, means 1 chloro, number of carbon in longest continuous chain 5 carbon, penta, and at first position and second position there is a double bond, means 1,2 diene molecule. There is a 1 chloro penta 1,2 diene molecule. See, in this molecule there is a 4 double bonds, consecutive arrangement of 4 double bonds is a 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Then next one is the number of carbon in longest continuous chain is of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, means parent alkane is a hexane molecule. There is a substituent at first position, amino group. See, the name of this molecule is 1 amino 1, 2, 3, 4 hexa tetraene molecule. See, the molecule is 1 amino 1, 2, 3, 4 hexa tetraene molecule, means at a first position amino substituent, first, second, third and fourth position double bond position, hexa means 6 carbon in longest continuous chain, tetra means there is a 4 double bond and ene is a suffix for double bond. Okay. Similar to this, these are the name IUPAC name of these molecules. It is a simple 1,3-dinaphthyl 1,3-diphenyl 1,2 propadiene molecule. See, the parent alkane 1, 2, 3 means in longest continuous chain of carbon atom there is only 3 carbon 1, 2, 3, and the substituent at first carbon same naphthyl phenyl, at third carbon same naphthyl phenyl, means there is a 2 naphthyl and the 2 phenyl. Arrange this substituent alphabetically is a 1,3-dinaphthyl 1,3-diphenyl 1,2 means the position of double bond propadiene molecule. See, the last example, in this there is a 5 carbon in longest continuous chain 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. At first position functional group carboxylic acid, at second position substituent phenyl group, at fifth position substituent phenyl group. Then IUPAC name of this molecule 2,5-diphenyl 2,3,4-pentatriene 1 carboxylic acid. At a second and fifth position there is a phenyl substituent, this 2 phenyl substituent. At 2, 3, 4 means the position of these double bonds is a 5 carbon in longest continuous chain. So, the parent alkane is a penta, tri means 3, ene is a suffix for double bond and first position is a carboxylic acid. So, the name of compound is a 2,5-diphenyl 2,3,4-pentatriene 1 carboxylic acid. Okay. These are the details about IUPAC nomenclature of cumulines molecule. And last one is IUPAC nomenclature of quinolines and isoquinolines molecule. See, the quinolines and isoquinolines, these are the heterocyclic compound. Basically, what is meant by a heterocyclic compound? The cyclic compounds in which one of the carbon, at least one carbon is replaced by, is substituted by heteroatom like nitrogen, oxygen or sulfur is called as heterocyclic compound. And these are the heterocyclic compound, number first quinoline and isoquinoline. Then what is quinoline and isoquinoline exact? In quinoline and isoquinoline, a benzene ring and a pyridine share a common side in two different ways. One mode of fusion creates a compound called as quinoline and other gives isoquinoline molecule. Means simply these are the fusion of these two molecule, benzene and pyridine molecule. When a benzene and pyridine, these two are fused together, fused to each other, it gives finally quinoline and isoquinoline molecule. But the fusion of these two molecules, benzene and pyridine, in two different ways. First way it gives quinoline molecule and second way it gives isoquinoline molecule. These are the just introductory part of quinoline and isoquinoline. Then what is exact IUPAC nomenclature of quinoline and isoquinoline molecule? There is a three different methods for IUPAC nomenclature of quinolines and isoquinoline. Okay, but in this lecture we are going to study only one first method for IUPAC nomenclature of this quinoline and isoquinoline. In a first system, which is called as a numbering system for quinoline and isoquinoline. See the simple numbering system. The numbering starts from heteroatom in quinoline molecule. See the first number, second, third, fourth, then fifth, sixth, 7 and 8. There is a no numbering for this fused carbon, means for this common carbon. Okay, at first position starts from this first number, it starts from this heteroatom nitrogen. At the second position there is a substituent methyl group. So the name of this compound is a 2-methyl quinoline molecule. See the number second is a 1, 2, 3. At the third position there is a substituent bromine, means the IUPAC name of this compound is a 3-bromo quinoline molecule. Next one is a C numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the fifth position there is a nitro group. So the name of this compound is a 5-nitro quinoline molecule. Okay. In case of fourth example, there is a 2 substituent at fifth position COCS3, means acetyl group, and at 8th position there is a methoxy group. Arrange this substituent, these 2 substituent alphabetically, means 5-acetyl 8-methoxy quinoline molecule. Okay. In case of isoquinoline, also numbering starts from this carbon, means the nitrogen heteroatom at the second position. See the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The first position is substituted by amino group. So the name of this compound is a 1-amino isoquinoline molecule. It is the same 1-ethyl. There is a ethyl substituent, no amino substituent. The same 1-ethyl isoquinoline molecule. These are the first method for IUPAC nomenclature of quinoline and isoquinoline. Thank you very much.